Well, hopeful man, give thanks to love, give thanks to life, give thanks to the Most High, Rastafari. I just splice S to the P to the L to the I to the C to the E to the R. So we keep it solid, positive, live, interesting, can anything, relentless and real. See, I have some writers, you know. See, yeah man, a native of this side, you see, indigenous to this area. See, my family, parents are from Westmoreland still, primarily. But I born and grew up in that area, see it?
So, how you really got started in Rastafari?
Mm. Well, as a native to the island, you know, Jamaica stay. Grew up in a school, grew up with different community, grew up brothers. In a few community, you know, my parents is Christians. But my brethren, them family, most of them are Rastafari. So we have this elder brown man. We always teach you about the culture and the principles and nature, you know, natural essence of earth, you see it? That's why that I kind of think I did lean to, you see? Because that I kind of could relate to more as a youth. So, more when I travel, I'm taking on the music and more than travels and things and the overseas. And this is most of the fullness of what the elder used to teach and I. He used to teach all I and I. So we are come seeing a reality, you know. So we have no other choice but to take on to the realities of life. For life. You see it?
So what does Rastafari mean to you?
Everything. Life. Rastafari is life. Essence of all life, all vibration of life, frequencies of life, elements, everything of life.
What are the importance of Haile Selassie to the Rastafari movement?
The life and teaching of His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie has been shown in his work. You see, in the infrastructure that he has created for I and I as young Rastafari, elder Rastafaris, that is in place now for I and I to build on. You see it? So His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie is everything to Rasta. Everything. You see it? That's how it levels. You see, there's a whole misconception, see? And you have to overs, you know, so colonizers will never want you to come out of oppression. So therefore they are going to paint a picture to keep you in that place of oppression. So enough of people still not seek because they're still under the colonizers painted picture. See it? Yeah man. So until, you know, people them start finding themselves, they will understand the fullness, you know.
How did Bob Marley impact Rastafari movement?
Well, Bob Marley, it's a beautiful question, a great question. The work of Bob Marley in itself is driven the culture, four corners of the earth. You see it? So, what the icon has done through his music and message of love and unity, that's transcend the world, what the community lives on, stands for. You see it? What we try to depart or impart on each ones and ones on a day to day. You see? So the legend Robert Nesta Marley, see, like old Pa and I four fathers that has fought the battle. See, their work and life, you know, is of high value globally, you see, not just in a local market and local space, you see. As if it wasn't for the work of them elders still then, you know, say what it is, we could have never been here. The Jamaica as we know it, the culture of Jamaica as we know it, wouldn't have the significance that it now have. So I want a reality that no and I people now accept the significance of Rastafari in Jamaica's culture. So one enough reality that enough won't accept. It's to a place where the governments are now lobbying on account of the life and liberty of Rastafari. See? They're lobbying with the life, you know, understand the levels of that. See it? But they won't tell you that, you see it?
Yeah. How modern influence such as technology impact the Rastafari movement?
Well, technology has impact every community, every circle. It's no different from our communities. Everywhere you go in a community, you see them with a new technology and we know fun. I mean, we know if you notice, you look around you, we are use new technology in the way we plant our herbs. You see, we know light. We never used to use lighting. We know use drip hose system, time system. You see, so we utilize in different aspects of technology in different ways where it assists, to make the day-to-day life a little easier. You see, but it's not that we stray from our organic, original, authentic, indigenous lifestyle. You know what I mean? Technology assists in the ways that it can. Through technology, we are listening radio now. See?
And the association with reggae music and Rastafari, how much of a role or an impact that played in the Rastafarian movement?
Reggae music? Well, the movement of Rastafari, if you notice, it's a whole lot of brothers that's within the whole life and culture of Rastafari that chants, seeing still on a different frequency from where the reggae music is on. Seeing so, the reggae music is a vital part of our creation. Seeing so, it's a way to distribute the sound and the message. See, to a wider range of people that's on that frequency likewise. You can't say even say it's a lesser or lower frequency because there's still a frequency of balance and get you a message. See levels. So, the reggae is a stream then through Leonard Oil, you know what I mean? Well, I kind of leave that for the elders them to expand in that area. Because for one, I come get the teachings from the elders. You see, through what Brother Leonard went into Ethiopia and saw. You see, I come also get it, say, His Majesty Marcus, say, look to these for coming off a black king. So there's different aspect of the tradition that is taught. You know what I mean? And different ways that the whole movement started. See, so for that, I kind of leave that aspect of it to the elders and to really answer that. I know on account of the work of the elders, Asians that they have put in, this is why we can be so stable as our indigenous people. You see, now for what Brother Howell put in the work that he started, see, for what Brother Marcus has started, see, the trip that His Majesty took here, see, the fight that our Asians fought against even a prime minister, one prime minister that led here. I will back going to Jamaica against Rastafari now. Imagine a prime minister of a country a fight against the whole people of a country. A set of people. Imagine a prime minister, brother. Set out all the officers of the country to see the people of the country and kill them when you see them. Now imagine a prime minister, a member of parliament that's supposed to run in an operation, running the corporation then. Besides, because them people are now rebel against a set of what him stand for. I just kill them out. See, so there's no form humanity within that being. And that the sort of leadership that was in that place at that time. And that what our people, our ancestors, our Asians stood against. You see it? Stood for I and I to stand firm now. You see it? Remember now some of them kind of vibration make I and I come out and our parents, them parents, not I and I parents come out of enslavement. See it? So the ones that may come stand against injustice in a society amongst governing bodies. We might paint it as justice. You see it? Because them paint all the atrocities where them do against Rastafari as justice. No. Them still come use the same sacrament that we still fighting our brothers that's in their courts now for. They're using that now as a commercial part of their livelihood. No, right? The same thing that they used to beat and kill our elders for, Asians for. See level.
Commercial now.
Yeah, they must sell it now openly. See?
On the topic now, what significant is herb contribute to our beer to Rastafari?
You see, there's a thing where a lot of I and I get misconstrued where you mention herbs. Because sometimes you say the herbs, one just think of just the ganja, marijuana. Remember, we utilize all aspects of the herb now. When you look around, you see all aspects of the herbs, you know. All aspects of the herbs. You find the herbs that you're going to use for your prostate as a man. I find our brothers don't even like to talk about them things, but as men, when you get into a certain age group, you have to start, you know, be conscious. So the herbs. So I see enough of Jamaican men don't do in the hospital for cutting a prostate and next thing. Very few go through the treatments and cases through them hospitals still. You see it? So we utilize the herbs in all manner. And the leaf of life, the different aspect of herbs. The marijuana is a sacrament. You see, all different people have them different kind of sacrament. The Catholic have them sacraments in them wines. You see it? So it's all different type of people have them sacraments. There's many houses and nations that still utilize marijuana as a sacramental form. So for Rastafari is our sacrament in which we utilize to get connected with the Most High, meditate. See, for us all our vibration get on a different frequency, you know.